are back at East Chester, y'all. We haven't been over here in a long time. This is our stomping ground, okay? So it's so good to be back. As y'all can see, everybody is starting to get set up, and so we're going to be getting set up soon. If y'all are in the area, be sure to come out so that you can get beaded and you can get hosed by these modern hose, honey. That's how you walk when you get Waistbeads and you got your modern hose on. It is so hot and my hair is really puffy, but yeah, I'm excited. This is a little different for us because we're usually here pretty early, but we're kind of late today, but it happens. Let's unpack everything. This is a very unique style pop-up. You see this in the back? You already know we only sell waist beads and now hosiery, modern hose. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. But this pop-up is so unique. It's actually a community garage sale as well as a pop-up shop. It's our first time doing this. It's super exciting. I'm gonna get Jules to explain her thoughts on it, what she thinks about it and how she feels, but I just wanted to pop in while we're waiting to get set up and let you know that this is so unique. This is what my car is looking like. I brought some things to try to sell at the community garage sale, but if I don't, we're just gonna go by the donation center and drop off everything that's left. But it's time for me to get ready to set up. This is our spot right here, so see ya. So I'm definitely gonna have to find a better way to pack my waist beads when we come to events, because no matter how I try to put them in my totes, they always wind up like this. So we're working on that, right? But so guys, we're at another event. We just did one last weekend, which it was awesome, and so we know this one is going to be great too. So one thing I do, let me tell you guys, and y'all probably already know this. Whenever we get ready for an event the night before, I brainstorm. It's like I just get a burst of creativity just before an event, right? So it's like I'm always up late making waist. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is when the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. On my waist, of course, but also also around my neck and on my wrists, AB down, modern hose. We got a few clothes out, just a few shoes, just a few household items. What's up, y'all? This is Shanti, and it is the next day. Yes, the pop-up was yesterday. Jewel is still getting her beauty rest, but when she gets up, we're gonna fill you in on how everything went. In the meantime, let's unpack everything. We did unload it out of the car, which is my least favorite part about the entire pop-up process. Help me, Lord. But we didn't unpack everything. We didn't put it back where it needs to be. So help me do that, as well as clean up the office. It's kind of our next day ritual. So hang in there and unpack with me. I am finished up, y'all. I'm listening to a podcast. See, the thing is, but excuse the wires. Let me cover that up.
Now it's really gotten to fashion. You got fast fashion, which is now giving you all the Balenciaga.
Hey.
Dolce & Gabbana. when you see us again, we will be giving our event recap.
Come to the candy face, guys. Angels, we had a wonderful time at this latest event, and as you guys know, it was not only just a pop-up for entrepreneurs, it was also a garage sale. So that was totally different for us, and it was fun.
Yeah, I really liked it a lot. I think we normally donate a lot of things like Goodwill and Is It Helping Hands?
Yes, Helping
Homer's
Hands.
Home. And we had just given away a lot of stuff right before the event, but we still managed to bring some things, and it's just, I don't know, I liked it.
Yeah,
unique.
I liked it too. I was so tired that she let me sleep in while she got the office together, and y'all, that's one good, part about having my daughter help me with the business. But if you are a sole proprietor, and people in your inner circle wants to help you, like sometimes you're going to need that help. Let them help you so that you can rest and, get your energy levels up again. So I had an awesome time.
Yeah, we made some new Amani Angels.
Yes, we did.
And I don't know, I just really enjoyed it.
Me too. I did.
We also got some good food from...
Oh, some good food. Yeah. It's from Martins Catering, and it was really good, so... Okay, Martins.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, baby. A lot of new entrepreneurs that we haven't had a chance to meet yet, guys. And I was going to feature them in this vlog, but, everybody was busy, and I totally forgot. But I wanted to give them their flowers and to introduce you guys to them as well. So I purchased from Royal Deluxe Creations, and this is her information, guys. But let me tell you, she was beautiful. Her setup was amazing, and just a lot of good information. So I bought some soap from her. This is honey and turmeric. I can't wait to use it. But also, all of her new purchases get a crown, because she said we're all queens and kings. So, kings need self-care and skincare as well, okay? So this is so pretty. I thought that was so cute. And she gives a little bit of information in your little welcome box. I thought it was so cute. So I do want to give her a shout out.
Yes. And
you can find her on Facebook, Instagram, and it looks like TikTok as well. It's Royal Deluxe 21 on her socials. There you go. Pause it, read it, and get at her.
I also want to highlight Earth Meat Essentials. This is her card right here. It's beautiful. She uses purple as her favorite color, and you all know at Amani Beadwear we love anything purple.
Yes.
And what I got was the turmeric and honey, but it's a facial cleanser bar. So we like the same things.
Yeah, we do. Yes.
And I also decided to pick up a Yanni Steam blend.
Ooh.
Her setup was beautiful. She had so many products that are homemade, and her website is gorgeous. Please check her out. That is Earth Meat Essentials LLC. And it was so nice meeting you at the event, and hopefully we can stay in contact.
Get to these events, guys, and network, and you will be amazed at the new people that you get to meet, like-minded entrepreneurs. Network, y'all. So without any further ado, I believe we're ready to pull for our giveaway, right?
I'm ready.
Okay, so we do want to thank everybody who entered the giveaway. We did a lot of giveaways last year, so this is really the first giveaway that we've done this year, right?
Maybe.
No, we did have another one. Maybe you can.
Honestly, we love doing giveaways.
Yeah, we get confused.
And this was very simple. The rules was just to follow us on our TikTok.
Right.
Follow us on our new sister business, Modern Hosiery, which we'll talk about that a little bit more in another video.
Right.
And also like Modern Hosiery on Facebook.
Yes. So if you guys have not followed us yet on TikTok, by all means do. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers on TikTok so that we can go live and actually make waist beads on TikTok live. Okay. So follow us on our Amani Beadwear TikTok if you haven't already. We're not gonna hold you guys up much longer. We've been waiting, and I know you guys been waiting too.
Yes, so excited.
So go ahead and pull.
Okay, here we go. Who's feeling lucky? Look. Audrey.
Hey, congratulations, Audrey.
Yay.
You have won our Waistbead giveaway.
Thank you so much for following us. Let me look up your profile right now.
And we're going to be sure to follow you from all of our platforms as well, if we haven't already. So let me show them what she won. Let me show Audrey, this is what you won. This is your Waistbead. So as you can see, it has beautiful focal points. If you can see that.
It's lovely.
We'll have a picture at the end so you can really see your Waistbead.
And I do have her account.
Congratulations.
Congratulations from us. And this is her TikTok, and we are about to follow you back right now.
Yay!
Yes. Thank you so much for supporting us and our business, and we look forward to sending you your Waistbead.
Yes, so if you will, we'll contact you in your DM so that we can get your mailing information. But here is your beautiful Waistbead. Yay! This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for our winner and our newest Amani Angel. So if you want to become an Amani Angel, or if you already won and you're needing a new Waistbead, it's simple. Just contact us. All of our links is in the description box. I'm just a text, a comment, a DM away from you letting me know what you need, and we will get you beaded. And we will see you on the next video.